So today you're going to learn about the styling and the looks of the smart car from 2007.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. How is it alive?
I think it actually is a good looking car. The lacquer is quite smooth. The paint finish is quite good, but remember this was back in 2007 and the paint finish is really nice. This is the second gen. This was the second generation of the smart car, so it is just better looking all round. The headlights look better, the rear section looks better, the lines look better, everything just looks better. It's a good looking car all round. The rear lights are tidier and the rear lights are now just 2 units rather than the first gen smart car, which had three little bulbs at the back. This is more grown up. It's better looking all round. It is a nice car to look at. And this is a nice combination, this blue and silver combo. It's a good looking small little car. There are lots of different colour choices that you could go for. You can go for a black, yellow, but this one looks pretty good. There's no indicators in the mirrors, but it's nice that you've got this different contrast of colour going on here. Your door handles are here, and it's nice how they're kind of tucked away with the rest of the panel. Yeah, controls are easy to see. The center console is easy to find where the buttons are and what each button does, which is good. Steering wheel, you do get this kind of leather trim here, and you do get a kind of cutout for your thumbs. The leather, it's a small car, isn't it? It's very thin, the leather, very thin. So yeah, get a little smart car emblem though. I do love the colour of the smart car. It's very bright and interesting, that blue and silver, and easier to keep clean. If you have white paintwork, really annoying to keep clean, and if you have black, well, you're just a really boring person who's really sad, and you're really boring and you're not interesting and you don't have any life in you. This is bright and interesting. It just shows that you have a small little car, but it's a pretty looking little car and a nice bright, nice colour. I think it is a good looking small car. The second generation was quite an update for the smart car, and Mercedes-Benz just made the smart car look better. They revised the headlights and made them more angly, more blending in with the rest of the panels, and only 2 light clusters on the back of the smart car, so 2 light clusters per side instead of the 3 that was there on the first generation smart cars, and it just looks better than the first generation. It's more aerodynamic, it's a bit more angly, and the panels channels blend in a lot better. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.
Until I found a light.